At Mellish Engineering, we invested into 3 machines via Mills, 2 3-axis vertical machining centres and 1 twin spindle lathe. With the twin spindle lathe, it was the first one that we've had. The main considerations were being able to get products off finished via the sub-spindle, versus multiple operations that we on normal, single spindle lathes.
There's so many features on the machine we really like, which include an 80mm bore. We've got a bar feed on so we can run unmanned, so I can set somebody else while I keep my eye on it. It's like having 2 machines in one, really. It'll come off complete. We've also got live tooling on it, which is able to mill as well, really. It's brilliant.
The twin spindles made us more competitive to be able to do a product in one cycle, coming off finished rather than go on other machines, and also the ability to work lights out as well.
What I like about the D&M 4000 is, one, it's a small compact machine, but still great for the jobs that we do. There's no space being wasted on the bed, and it's so fast for the size. You're just getting a very, very good machine for its size.
With the D&M 4000 3-axis milling machine, the main features that we was looking for is a small footprint and an extremely fast tool change traverses on the bed, which it complements.
I like the programming of this machine because it's easy, and you've also got the added option of the Easy Guide, which simplifies the programs, so anybody can come and have a go really once they've been trained. Makes programming a lot easier.
We also purchased a Minx 5600 3-axis milling machine. The main reason behind that is more heavy duty to complement our current machines. So the envelope inside, it's a much bigger bed. The torque is a lot more aggressive, and to make deeper cuts and deal with the materials that we handle here.
What I like about the Minx 6500 is its power, its torque. It's got a 1.4 metre bed on, which is able us to put more parts on at once and jig it up. To cut the harder materials, this machine is great. When with the deeper cut and stuff, it flies through, but where before we couldn't do it. Not with something that hasn't got BT50 holders. Stability's there. It's brilliant.
Our decision process to choose Mills was quite easy. It's all stemmed from a Friday afternoon phone call into Tony, and within the next day, I think it was Monday, he was in, and we was talking about family of parts that we wanted to reduce sort of machining time on, and within a week they was actually doing live demonstrations in the showroom on developing a particular part for us. The sales and service backup of Mills is very impressive, to be fair. A special mention to Pete as well, who's their area sales manager. He's been coaching us through the whole sort of decision-making process with the machines, down to features and benefits, looking at our parts, which machine would suit the best parts, and then going from a service point of view, excellent. They're very professional on the delivery. The sighting of the machines second to none, and then within a week, we've got the training going on, very professionally taken out, and also their on-site training. We've sent some of our guys to their training centre. Very professional, hospitality superb, and he gave the guys a chance to actually look at the showroom at the other machines they have on offer. So, top marks, Mills.